Today we're checking out this AMP Terrain Attack RT tire, 35 inches, 35, 12.5 R20 LT, fitting Jeep Wranglers and anybody running this size tire. If you want a tire that can handle rough trails, gravel roads, and bad weather while still riding comfortable on the pavement, this Terrain Attack RT is meant to bridge the gap perfectly, so they're definitely worth checking out. When it comes to the features, these are designed for true off-road enthusiasts. They're engineered to handle the toughest terrains with ease, delivering exceptional performance and durability without compromising on-road comfort. They accomplish this with an innovative tread design that minimizes road contact and reduces road noise with a wide contact center patch. This is going to be a huge win for weekend warriors and anyone that uses their trail rig as a daily driver also. Stone ejector channels in the tread is going to help kick out those rocks, mud, and any other junk so that the lugs stay clear and they keep their grip instead of packing up. You're also going to get two different aggressive sidewalls on each side of the tire. You're going to get a rugged pocketed block pattern on one side and a stepped V pattern with an AMP A tread block on the other side. That's going to generate gripping edges along the sidewall, and all of that adds up to a strong off-road traction, solid all-season reliability, and a ride that's still surprisingly calm on the highway. When it comes to the construction on this 35-inch tire is built with a 10-ply rating, and it features a 2P 2S 1N tread construction for enhanced grip and stability. The rugged pocketed block and the dynamic step V pattern sidewalls not only contribute to its aggressive traction, but also a distinctive look with the integrated AMP A tread blocks. This is a heavy-duty, durable build to balance strength, stability, and heat control when you're aired up and hauling, or you're aired down and crawling. The staggered sidewall blocks are going to help guard the shoulder areas from cuts and punctures, which is always a nice benefit out there on the trail. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right in that mid $300 price range per tire. That's a fair spot for an RT tire that has serious off-road capabilities with smooth on-road comfort. Cheaper off-road tires in this category can be louder, wear faster, and ride rougher. So this is definitely a solid price point in my opinion. When it comes to the install on these, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can add these on in just 1 hour of your time. To get these mounted and balanced, it's best left to a tire shop with the proper mounting and balancing equipment. Alright, well that wraps up my review of the AMP Terrain Attack RT tire, 35-inch, 35, 12.5 R20 LTs. And for all things off-road, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.